Hey YouTube, I'm back a little sooner than I thought I was going to be in this Vlogmas video. I am doing a surprise unboxing. I ordered something from off of Amazon. It was either yesterday or the day before yesterday. And I don't have Amazon Prime anymore due to some stuff that happened towards the beginning of the year. And this was with standard shipping. But it's Sunday, and I don't know if you guys know, but I work for Amazon Flex. They do have us deliver packages on Sunday as well, and I totally forgot because I haven't worked there in a minute. But I'm gonna try to unbox this one-handed, and I haven't opened it yet. So let's see. Get the hair out the box. Now this was a very inexpensive hair. It was about 60 bucks for 3 bundles of curly hair and a closure. Y'all have to excuse them boys right there, but like I said, this is a surprise unboxing because I didn't know this was coming today. See? 12-inch, 14-inch, and a 16-inch, and a 10-inch closure. So let me try to get this open. Like I said, I'm recording with one hand while I try to do this. On the back, it's got tips and stuff. It's taped. The box is a little bit. But I ain't really complaining about that. Because we all know shipping, your boxes go through some things through the holiday months. Okay. Let's see if I Okay, so this is what we're looking at. They sent some, as a free gift, some lashes. This is the 10-inch closure. Let's see if I can get focused in a little more on the lace. I'm gonna take it all out in a minute. Now I don't know if you are aware, but I really don't wear curly hair, but I wanted to try something new. This is the 12-inch, 14. I'm unboxing this on my couch because I'm downstairs with my kids, y'all. And the 16. I'm gonna set this box aside. And let me see. Let me go ahead and take my nail polish is all chewed off, y'all. Take this out the bag. And this is the 16-inch. Let me see. It smells like beauty supply hair. It's pretty soft. I can't really play in it like I want to because I'm holding this phone. got some more light in here so y'all can see. I mean, so far it's pretty similar to your beauty supply hair. It's very soft though. For 50-something bucks. Let's go ahead and get the closure out of the package. So this is the closure. If you see stuff walking away from off my couch, that's my son, y'all. I can't get him out the room. He's so sleepy and he's just messing, so y'all have to excuse him. It's the closure with the little baby hairs on it. None does it need to be customized is the question. Put that on my leg here. Look at it real good. So I mean, it could use some, you know, but I'm not for real sure. I might go through and pluck it. I don't know.
Replacing the wall.
Piece of lint. You know, you do have to check your hair for lice and stuff. A lot of people don't know that. Because this, you know, human hair does come from a human's head. You check it for lice. So far so good. It's supposed to be a 3-part closure. The lace is pretty soft and smooth. It's not rough like cheap hair would be. Let me. I mean, so far so good. I'm gonna have to stop at the store and get me a wig cap and stuff so I can go ahead and make this wig, and maybe I'll make that as a video for you guys too. But I'm gonna link where I got this from down in the description bar so you guys can check it out. I know they didn't have many left. I know they didn't have many left on there, so I'm gonna try to go ahead and get this made and see how well this is, because I would definitely recommend this to you guys if it is good. Even though I do sell my own hair, I do recommend others. I'm not afraid to share and promote other people, because that's how we all grow. That's how we all grow. So let's see how this goes. It is so pretty. I'm like ready to do it right now. I wonder if I have an extra big head thing. Alright, well, let me get off here and I'll be back again later. And like I said, I'll see y'all again soon. I just wanted to show y'all the goods that I just got in the mail, and the fact that they came super duper freaking fast. Alright now, bye.
Still in the bank making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it. Talk about it, bitch.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how